Hello viewers, today I have obtained a pack of Eneloop batteries. These are nickel metal hydride AA batteries, recharge of course. And I know some people swear by these things, but I wanted to see for myself exactly how good they really are and answer the question, are they really that much better than the off-brand batteries that cost a fraction of the price? Now, I haven't used them yet, but my initial impression is that it's very gimmicky. This box is just very gimmicky. You'll see up here at the top, it says, oh, you can recharge it 2,100 times. And we'll get back to that in a minute. It also says, after 5 years of sitting around, it has 70% charge left. Okay, we'll get back to that as well. What I want to start off with here is the milliamp rating, the capacity of these batteries. It's 1900 milliamps, which I think is very small. Well, not very small, but it's small for an AA battery. Okay, I have a sample of batteries here in my shelf here. We'll take a look at these. Let's see, these don't have a, can't look at those. But we'll look at, for example, these off-brand Tenergy batteries, which cost fractions of what the Eneloop ones do. And these are 2600 milliamps. There, you can see it for yourself. Don't need me know it. There's the 2600 milliamps. And I have another batteries here. These are Enercell, and these are 2500. And these are Rayovac, so this is a branded battery, and these are also 2500. So from my sample of batteries that I have here, 1900 is kind of low. I've seen them come up to 3000, 3200. Of course, that's on the highest end of the spectrum, but there's certainly ones that are much larger than this. So to get back to the 2100 recharge claim, that's a gimmick, because if you have a smaller capacity battery and you can recharge it more times, or you have a higher capacity battery and you can recharge it fewer times, at the end of the battery's life you've gotten the same amount of power out of it. So sure, you can recharge these more times, but their runtime is going to be less. So now, of course, I think the Tenergy ones claim 1500 recharge cycles, and those have what do we say those were? These are 2600. So one of these you can recharge it only 1500 times, but it lasts 600 milliamps more, which is a notable amount of charge. So I mean, you could calculate it out and get some number, which I actually was going to do before I got the video on, but I forgot. But you could calculate the number, and it would probably be very similar. Certainly not worth quite a bit more money. But that's that. So the next thing I want to do here, I have already opened these up, so I'm gonna pull these out of the box here. And I'm going to put them in my refresher here, because they claim they're ready to use, and that may very well be the case, but I do believe it's always a good idea to charge them up before you use them for the first time. I thought I had opened this all the way. Lo and behold, I had not. Okay. But what I want to do here, I'm going to move the camera over to the refresher, and I want to see what charge these batteries are at. Okay, so I'm going to put these into the refresher now. They're very lightweight, I have to say, and that could be because of the lesser capacity. Anyways, green. Okay, so as far as I know it, or as far as my refresher can tell me anyways, these have in fact retained 80% or greater of their capacity for as long as they've been sitting around. And I don't know how long these have been around. I don't know when these are made. I don't necessarily see a date on the package anywhere. Actually, no, I do. I gotta start looking at things a little bit closer. And before I start the video, we have 12/2014, which I think would be reasonable to believe that's a date code. So these were made at the end of 2014. So let's just say they sat the entirety of 2015, and we're more than halfway through 2016. So it's been about a year and a half since these were produced, and they're still holding a charge. So that is good. I'm not disputing any of the claims on this package. I'm just saying that it's working up things to be that really aren't anything to write home about. But anyways, there you have it. Those are the Eneloop batteries. I'm going to put those into cycle, into the rotation of the batteries I use. And if I happen to notice anything about them, either they're working better, or they're declining faster, or whatever, I will make an update video. But I imagine that it will be quite a while before I do an update, because the only time I use a lot of AA recharge batteries is during Christmas time. The only thing I use on a regular basis that takes AA batteries is my camera, and it holds charge for a while, so I'm not going through that many batteries. But I'll probably use these in the camera next time I change out the batteries, and we'll see how they work. So there's part 1 of the Eneloop batteries. Thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe, and out.